Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be putting in a plenum spacer in the G35, and basically this is going to be the same install if you had an FX35, obviously G35 or 350Z, basically anything with the VQ35 engine in it. And this is a 5/8 plenum spacer from Bloxs Racing. Right here, where the oil cap sealer is, you got to make sure you pull that back, because if it gets under, you're not going to get a good seal.
And usually recommend not working on a hot engine. It makes it a bit tedious.
Also, you use gasket sealer, but at the moment we don't have gasket sealer.
Alright, so that was the install on the plenum spacer. You can see right here, it goes between the intake and the heads. Full install takes maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. We did 0 to 60 times, maybe a third of a second improvement, so probably somewhere in the 10 or 15 horsepower range. If you're looking for like $50, $100 to make your car a lot faster, this is definitely a way to go. Maybe a throttle body spacer or something like that, just anything to speed up your intake, make the air going in the engine cooler and faster.